and just have fun with it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexander DeMurgis, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the hairstyle of EREN YEAGER from the famous anime series Attack on Titan. If you guys are into hairstyles, fragrances, grooming, and fashion, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell notification to be notified whenever I release a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you found it informative. Now for the hairstyle in this video, like I said, it's from the protagonist of Attack on Titan, which is an anime series, and the guy's name is EREN YEAGER. He has much shorter hair earlier in the anime series, but later in the 4th season of Attack on Titan, EREN YEAGER rocks this really cool half up, almost half down man bun with a few strands in his face, and it's pretty rugged, careless, and a very cool look that a lot of people really like. Obviously for this hairstyle, you guys will need long enough hair to be able to put into a bun. So my hair is actually a bit longer here. Actually mine's probably right below my chin, right here. And so that's about 10 inches in length, which is a lot longer than EREN YEAGER's hair in the anime. However, if you cannot take this short hair on the side and put it into a bun, like I said, you can use little bobby pins, clip it, and put it back as well. Now, if your hair is not long enough for this hairstyle yet, or you're still trying to grow your hair out and you think you might be making mistakes, I really want you guys to watch my last video up here, which I show you the proper ways to grow out your hair for men and mistakes that you might be making. Now, for this hairstyle, for the majority of people, all you need is really 1 to 2 things for your hair. And number 1 would be a hair tie. I like using these coiled type hair ties because they're better on your hair and they don't leave as much crinkles and they don't really damage your hair as much. And like I said, if your hair is too short, you might want to consider using bobby pins or hair clips to hold your sides up. You're going to want to essentially put it into a man bun. However, leave the bottom inch of the back of your hair out of the man bun. So to show you guys what that looks like, I'm going to turn around right now so you guys can see. So I'm going to take my hair, push it back, and use my thumbs as a guide, and I'm going to go exactly right by my temples, back by my ears, and grab that hair. And as you can see, when I do this, I'm leaving all this hair on the bottom still separated from my hair. I'm not grabbing this and putting it up because this is part of the hairstyle. It's a half up, half down. So what you want to do is you want to take it, grab it, and then take your bun and tie it up. So you want to do 1, 2, and 3. And so I like to tie it 3 times, and once you do, you're gonna have hair essentially that looks like this right here. We don't want it to be too tight and too neat and too perfect. We want some flyaway hairs. We want some of the hairs to be sticking out and not completely in the bun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the actual bun and we're gonna start pulling some pieces of hair out of it just so it's not such a perfect ball. So we take it right here and we maybe bring some out, stick our fingers in there, kind of wiggle it around a little bit to loosen up some hairs. As you can see, our hairstyle is becoming a bit less neat, and that's exactly what we want. So what we're gonna do next is actually we're gonna take out some of the hairs from our bangs out of the bun. So right here, we're gonna go right to our temple, and we're gonna take out a hair piece out of our bun. If you're taking out too much hair from your bangs when you take it out of the bun and it ends up looking like this, that's okay. What you can do is you can literally just take half of it, tuck it behind your ear, maybe put some more back there if you want. And if this still looks like too much, all you can do is you can just twirl it. And what twirling does, it makes it look thinner, it actually makes it look more dense as well. See the difference here? And so we want to basically do this right here, but on both sides of the head. Do some twirls, 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 like that. And now don't be afraid to make this hairstyle your own, guys. You know, it's an anime style at the end of the day, and so obviously it's drawn a certain way. So not everyone's hair is a certain length or it's a certain texture, but what you can do is just play around with it. You can have some wispy hairs in general. You can kind of use your fingers here to kind of loosen things up. Take some hairs out right there and just have fun with it. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up the hairstyle today. I think it's a pretty cool hairstyle that doesn't really take too much effort to do. It's all about trial and error. And a lot of hair gets in your mouth if your hair is too long now. This is actually how I personally wear my long hair most of the time. So I actually like it when it's half up, half down, and a little unneat and a little messy. And here's the final product. So that is the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cool hairstyle video and tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also click on the little bell notification to be notified whenever I release a new video. Like this video, comment down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. And in case you guys want to watch other videos on my channel, I posted 2 videos right here if you want to view other content on my channel. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in that next one.